Meaning of "-ide".
Ide.
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 I. The suffix "ide" is a commonly used suffix in chemistry to denote the negatively charged ion formed from a parent molecule. The suffix is typically added to the stem of the parent molecule name, and the resulting name describes the ionic species that is formed after the loss or gain of an electron. For example, chloride, Cl, is the anion formed from the element chlorine, while oxide, O2, is the anion formed from oxygen. The use of this suffix allows chemists to easily communicate the identity of the ion without having to explicitly state its electronic configuration.